Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, and cleaning all of Grayson's things. Basically, I'm going through everything that he has, clothing, bottles, toys, whatever the case may be. I'm going through it all, figure out what I want to give away, what I want to store for future kiddos, or what he's currently using. So I started off by grabbing everything down in the basement. Over the last year and a half, I just kind of been slowly putting things down there as he grew out of them. Then I went through his dresser and pulled things out that he's growing out of as well there. And then I also jumped into the kitchen and grabbed like his bottles and a couple things out of there that he's no longer using. Once I got everything gathered from around the house that I wanted to store, I started by going through every piece of clothing that we have in these bins. I wanted to separate them out into sizes, newborn, 0 to 3 months, 3 months, and so on. That way I could store them in the bins and know exactly what sizes were in each one. Basically, Grayson is our first kiddo. I don't know if we are going to have a boy or a girl. If we have a boy, we're kind of set on clothes, maybe a couple extra things in the future. And then if we have a girl, we'll have to just get all new stuff. This was definitely quite the overwhelming project, but it was definitely satisfying when I had it all done. I plan on organizing and decluttering my basement as well. This is just kind of the first piece and first step in doing that. If you guys would be interested in seeing me declutter my basement and organizing it, let me know in the comments down below, and I can definitely do that for you.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
I ended up being able to fit about 2 sizes in each bin. So the first one has newborn 0 to 3 months, second bin was 3 months, and then 3 to 6 months, and then so on.
Push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would.
And I didn't quite have any more bins for this project, so I used old diaper boxes, but all of these have like older toys, his bottles, anything that wasn't clothing. And then in this bag I just stuffed full of the clothes and things that I wanted to get rid of. Also getting rid of this, but I ended up with 2 empty bins and emptied the laundry basket that I also had full of stuff. So now that I had everything put away that I thought I wanted put away, I started back in the dresser by reorganizing the clothes that were in there. I wanted to pull out all the things I didn't want first before I organized it, and then would have to go back and reorganize it again. So that's why I'm organizing it now. But I actually found a couple more things that I wanted to pull out and store downstairs. Sometimes you just have to switch things around until you get it just the way you want it, or what makes it most functional. Do any of you guys do this? So diapers, and then just like a random little pouch that we got as a gift. Gloves. I was gonna put these away, but these will fit him this next winter, and I don't want to forget that we have them. So, and they're not really, I have extra space, so I'm just gonna leave them there. Little travel size like lotions, and then extra binky. Then I have boogie wipes in here. If you have never used boogie wipes, these are amazing for wiping boogies. And I have diaper cream and lotions that we use. This we use for his eczema when it gets really bad on his face. Usually that just happens during the winter. Extra diaper cream, lotion, and then all of his socks. I could probably put his socks down in a lower drawer. Actually, I might do that. And then just have this to be like medicines and stuff. Just a random extra earmuffs. Again, he'll be able to use these next year, and I don't want to forget that we have them. If I don't have them out, I will totally forget that we have it. This thermometer, and then the wipes. Oh, see, extra diaper cream. That's the top drawer. In the next drawer, I have pajamas. We have a few more pairs of pajamas for him. They're just all dirty. If I get all of them washed, I will probably just move the swim stuff out and just have pajamas on both sides. This is an extra bed or crib sheet and an extra little, it's like a lovey. It's a small size that we got as a gift. Sleep sack. And then the bottom drawer, which is the main drawer. And I have it in this one because it's deeper so I can see everything. But back here I have any jeans that still fit him, which is perfect because I have like one of each color that I need. An extra little vest that still fits him in case there's like a day that it's cold. And he still fits in it. So these are all of his shorts, or almost all of his shorts. I think there's a few pairs in the wash. These ones are so cute. They're from Target, and I got like 3 different colors in this style, and they are so stinking cute. And they actually, the little cincher thing actually cinches up. Love it. These are all of his sweatpants. It's getting warm out, so I kind of wanted to push them to the back. And I just separated all the ones that don't fit him anymore. These I'm thinking about using as maybe like pajama pants, and then just like getting a couple like white t-shirts instead of buying a bunch of pajamas, but I'm not sure. And then we have, these are all of his long sleeve tops. Again, it's getting warmer, but we do have some cold days here and there, so I just have them just in case. And then once he grows out of them, I'll just put them away. And then we have all of his short sleeve tops. And I like the way I decided to fold them. I can show you really quick how I folded them. But I like this because, one, they fit perfect in this dollar store divider. But I folded them different so that I could see what it was without having to pull it out. Because sometimes you like, wait, what was this? Like I have two red things. If I could only see the red, I wouldn't know which one was which. And then we just have an empty space, just in case we have more stuff. Put his socks in that extra space, so now I can grab an entire outfit from this drawer. Underneath here, I just have all of his shoes. Some of these are slippers, a lot of them are gifts. We've got these really cute things from Walmart. I got these. Oh gosh, where did I get these? I think I got these from Walmart too. So cute. And then these ones are from Old Navy. This is actually the little tote that I put all of Grayson's clothes in that he grows out of to take downstairs. After I had organized everything, I just found a few more things that I wanted to put away, so that's why those weren't put away with all the other stuff that I showed you at the beginning of this video. His closet has all of the stuff that he isn't big enough yet for. Some extra blankets, this super cute little photo that my mother-in-law printed up for us, and it says buddies to infinity and beyond. So stinking cute. I do keep a lot of my dresses in his closet. It just fits perfectly. He's not going to use this space yet, so it saves me space in my own closet. Then we have our diapers and wipes, and then on the top shelf I just have a couple random things. Some of them are like keepsake things that I don't want to just like stuff away in a bin yet. I'm just not ready for that. A couple extra pillows just for guests, and then a couple extra blankets again. A lot of them were gifts or made for us, so I don't want to put them away in a bin just yet. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some motivation to organize and declutter. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos to come.